Hello. Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? I am doing great. I have so much food in front of me. Here I have a bunch of salsas, like a bunch, and this is like our favorite one from this place. It's like a creamy tomatillo type of sauce. I don't know how to explain it, but it's creamy and it's tomatillo. And there's different ways to making this sauce. Some places they put avocado, but because this is business, they're not gonna go put an avocado on this like salsa. They wouldn't make profit. So I'm pretty sure for this one they use oil instead of avocado to make it creamy. So I have so much food. I think I went a little bit overboard, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Here, this is what it looks like. They put well, this is a really cute presentation. They put a tomato slice, an orange slice, and then there's lettuce, and then this is this here is what I know it as a gordita. It's a this is Mexican food, so it's a gordita. And let me put this on the side. It makes a lot of noise. And I have another one here too. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all of this, but I got two. I got two gorditas. These are so bomb, guys. Like, if you guys live like near Chicago, you guys definitely have to try this out. This place is known for it's Mexican food. They're known for the big quantities. Like, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys right now so you can see this, okay? I'm gonna take it out, but let me show you this. This is a gordita, okay? Look at the size. It's the size of my head. It's so freaking huge. Look at this. Can you see this? It's massive. Okay, it is super big. And I have like my tripod in a different angle, so this is a little different, but I guess you can see more like the food if I leave it here in a way. I don't know, but whatever. So this is massive. Look at this big thing. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the filling too, because the filling is, and I know I had said I was gonna eat healthier. I am eating healthier, but I'm not gonna leave the meat. The meat is amazing, and I'm just going to the gym now. So next, you see that it has sour cream and cheese, and these gorditas, these are asada, so which is like like steak, I guess you can say. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here, and I'm gonna eat this one to start. I'm gonna leave this one over here on the side. And one thing about I have a cat. One thing I don't like about the cat is that I'm trying to eat my food and there's hair everywhere, and it's so annoying. I hate it. So here, and this place also has their tacos are pretty big. Look at this. I ordered, these are 2 tacos, but they pack it on. Look, let me go ahead and show you. And I wish I would have taken my tripod. I should have ate this at the restaurant. It's so big, so packed, so I could have ate it like fresh, because now the tortilla looks like a little bit cold, but it's okay. So I'm gonna leave these. Where should I leave them? I want you guys to be able to see them. Should I leave the salsas over here and my fork? These salsas are so bomb, but honestly, you know what? I think they should not be using like these little ass containers. Just use like the big one and give one or something, you know? They're so little and they don't even like fill it up. Look at this. Like, what are you doing? Like, you're wasting the container. So I have some water, but I also have a coconut water. I might drink this with the meal. We'll wait and see. And these tacos are really oily, so that's why I'm leaving them inside with the aluminum foil, because they're very oily. Is that good? I don't know if that's good. Maybe. Think it might be a little too bright. Let me move my, I have like this other lamp thing there. I think it's a little bright, but okay. I'm still getting used to this whole like mukbang and thing, okay? So forgive me. And here, look at this. I still can get over this. Like, it's so big. This is so big. Oh shit, I'm feeling it. And then it has you know what? Hold on. I'm gonna cut this like this. So you guys are able to see this. What about, I'm trying to like multitask here and like try to figure out how I'm gonna do the setup so it looks catchy. Taquitos. We got some lime juice. Pretty lime juice. You know what? I actually bought what's it called? A griddle, so I can start cooking for you guys. Which that sounds exciting. And that's really exciting. Can you guys see those tacos? I hope you guys can. And then like I'm gonna put the extra stuff in here. The onion and cilantro. And look at the grease. That's why I didn't want to take it off the aluminum foil. But this one I'm gonna use it as a plate as well. This one, I have an onion all over me. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Not kidding. Okay, so thank God they threw like a lot of napkins in here because you're gonna use them. And I need to get myself. Am I comfortable? Am I not comfortable? It's always like a. And then I feel like if I'm not like sitting sideways, like I'm not up here because of this angle. So I'm just gonna stay like this. Okay. I'm just like all over the place today. It's okay. It's okay, Lupe. It's okay. Just breathe. Okay. I'm gonna put the gordita right here in the aluminum foil, which I want you guys to be able to see this action over here as well. Putting the salsas in the corner. And here is just I'm tired from that. From moving all the stuff around. Just look at this. Is so pretty. They put orange. They don't actually put oranges in the restaurant. Maybe just to goes. Lettuce and tomato for your gordita. So this place is called Amigo Chino. Taqueria Amigo Chino. It's in Chicago. Look at. Can y'all see that? I opened it for you guys. But it has cheese and sour cream. They come plain. So if you want cheese and sour cream, it's extra, I believe. Yesterday I was thinking about these, so I was like, I'm gonna go. And actually didn't put a lot of cheese or sour cream this time. And it's okay because I don't actually need it. I really don't. Let me show you the salsa. Can y'all see that? Probably like not the best thing to do, right? Show you my salsa like that. But whatever. Oh, hold on. Let me open another one. I told her to give me a lot of salsa because it's a little ass thing and it's not even filled all the way. And I need sauce. So I'm gonna this is so exciting. I'm getting to show you guys what my food looks like. And I know I know I had said I was gonna go healthy and do healthy video eating shows or whatever. I am gonna do that also. There will be days where I'll just be eating healthy and other days where I'll be eating a little bit of bad, you know. And don't hate me for that. Don't. Like, just enjoy my videos. Why not? It's getting like a little soggy here, but it still has a crunch to it because this place puts it like in the grill and then puts a little bit of oil to fry like the edges and stuff, and it's really good. Most places that I've gone to, they never put oil on it. It's just like the plain masa. I appreciate the oil. There goes the heater. So annoying. I'm gonna add some in here to make it supreme. I worked today and I'm trying to get comfortable because then my leg's gonna start hurting because yeah. Okay, so I worked today. I went to work, got off at 3. I can hear noises like the stairs. Thank you everybody that's watching my videos. It means a lot. Okay, so doing these type of videos is not like something you want to tell the world that you're doing. It really isn't. Like, only like my really close friends know about this, and I was still kind of iffy about telling them. Stop. My cat's trying to play. Not time for that. So it's not something you want to tell, you know, like, not something you want to tell your friends, especially your family, if they're judgmental. No, just don't. Look at this. It's like, just don't tell nobody. Just do your videos and don't tell nobody. And I'm actually so grateful that my boyfriend is super supportive on me doing these type of videos, and he's actually the one that's like, hey babe, you haven't uploaded anything, like when are you gonna upload your next video? I'm waiting for it. I'm like, watch my videos. Like, he actually watches my videos, and it's so funny because my manager, I told my manager, because she's super cool and I can tell her anything, and she's like, she's just so cool. Like, I love her. She's actually like my mom, to be honest. I go to work and I don't feel like I'm going to work. So that's a good thing, I guess, right? Feeling that way. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm dropping everything. You see this? My cat's hair. No, so much hair from my cat. Okay. So, I told my manager, right? I told my manager and I told my coworkers what I was doing on YouTube. And actually, they were very supportive. They thought, they were like, they were telling me, you're crazy. Well, what do you mean? I never knew about that. Blah, blah, blah. But they're really supportive, and that's so dope. So funny though. My manager has sent me like pictures has sent me like text messages. She said last time she was at Panera and her granddaughter had her tablet. She was like, what, 6? She had a tablet and she was watching me on YouTube while she was eating her Panera. That was so funny. I was like, what? She's like, yeah, like they're addicted to you. They can't stop watching you. So thank you, Jenny, for introducing me to your family. I mean, they know me, but my YouTube videos. If you're watching this, if not, I'm pretty sure Gabby's gonna let you know, because Gabby's hooked. Gabby is Jenny's daughter. And she also wants to start doing like mukbangs, but she's a little shy. I think it's so funny. So some of my coworkers know. I mean, all of my coworkers know. My mom knows. My brothers know. Both my brothers know. My dad, my stepdad knows. I don't really talk to my biological dad, so my boyfriend knows. My sister-in-law knows. She thought it was crazy because she had never heard about this. She was surprised. She was like, that's weird. Why do people watch other people eat food? And I'm like, I don't know, but I used to do that before I started, and I loved watching people eat. I just think it's so relaxing. Or like if you're home alone and you want to eat something, like me sometimes, because I moved here to this new place where I live at. Well, it's been a year already that I've been living here, but all my friends are back where I used to live. It's still Illinois. It was back in Aurora. That's where I used to live. So, you know, sometimes I get lonely. So I want to eat my food and watch somebody eat their food and pretend like they're my best friends and we're cool, and you know what I mean? So if you're doing that right now with my video, thank you. I'm your friend. And let me know down below what you guys are eating, if you are eating. One thing that I don't like about living here, I can't control the heater. So like when I'm trying to do mukbangs, like the heater's going off and it's like, ugh. So I'm very, very sorry about that. And okay. Oh, this is really good. To be honest, I think I could do this, like the gordita. But it's good. Like I got off work and my boyfriend went over to his sister's house, and he took his mom over as well. So I'm alone right now, so that's good. I need a little break. I need to be able to breathe. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and eat a taco. It's probably cold now, but it's okay. I'm gonna squeeze some lime. Excuse me, I kind of burped. Sorry. I hate it when I'm trying to, when I eat something and then I have cilantro stuck. And I'm over here thinking I look cute, but I don't, because I have cilantro in my teeth, and that's not cute. Where did I leave my fork? Okay, I don't know where I left it, but it flew away. So I'm adding some salsa. That's weird. My leg is numbed. I definitely need to find me a place to sit when I do this. My leg is numb for you guys. Man, that's so good. These tacos are al pastor. Oh, that's good. My leg is numb, so. So bomb. So Monday through Thursday, these are $1.39 a taco. So it's a really good deal. They're usually like what, double the price? Cheetah. My cat's over there playing with my kids' stuff. She's fat. Yeah. From the al pastor. Okay, I'm done. So done. So good, but I'm so full. I'm just gonna go ahead and I have the taco left, so that was a long video. Kinda, not too much, but I kind of took a while to eat that gordita. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Maybe no. Thank you so much. If you guys like my video, please let me know. And thank you guys that are watching and stay watching since I started. Which I know I need to start doing these every week, because I do one today, and from here on to a month I do another one, and it's like, no girl, you gotta be consistent. So I'm gonna get on that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Okay, bye.